Hello everyone, my name is Damien from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing you how to be building my Y-Wing from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. So without further ado, let's let that intro roll and we'll get started with this, shall we? Let's! Alrighty, so here we are, and here it is, my Y-Wing from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. This is a nice model, I'm not gonna lie, I kinda like how it is. But before we get into all that, if you've not seen my mock spotlight, please check that out. And we'll look at the views and we'll get started, shall we? Let's. We have the front view, and the back view, the left view, the right view, the bottom view, and the top view. So yeah, that's basically it. So let's get building, shall we? Let's. We're gonna need a plate, an angle plate 1x3 by 2x4, and a wing plate 2x3. Why is this not cooperating? Okay, that should not be like that, but whatever. Let's go down one. That. Two, we have a plate 1x2 with handles, and plate 1x2, and plate 1x2s with one stud on them. Gotta fix this. Alrighty, so as you can see, as I add parts into here, the parts will be updated, and yeah, we shall continue on. And so if you get lost, I will be able to. You can be able to hopefully find the parts, look for the parts that you are needing, that you might need, that you will be able to need if you get lost at any point. 3, like so. Now we need a 1x1, 1x2, 1x1, and a slope. Wrong color. You need sand blue. If you can't do sand blue, then just do like regular blue. I'd recommend, you know. I can understand that that's not an easy piece to find. Parts, those are not easy to get. Okay, so we need a 2x10. 2x10. A brick 1x2, and then 4 1x1s with one stud on them. Just make sure I got that right. Yep, alrighty. One, two. Here we go. 1, 2. 2. Here we need a brick 2x4, two 1x2s with Technic holes, and a brick 1x2 with with ridges on them. You'll want it with the ridges facing horizontally. Then we need Technic brick. One and two. Like so. That's what that should look like. So we need a plate 1x2, plate 1x1, one stud, a circular plate 2x2, and two grill plates. And then that should look like that. And then we're going to need two more grill plates, and then four studs, two different versions of gray. I don't know, I forget if I said this in the beginning of the video. If you have seen my mock spotlight, I obviously have a card that would have shown you about it, but if you haven't seen it, please check that out. It gives you a bit more of an information about all the detailing I've done on this model. We're going to need a brick and a plate, 1x2. Need the plate, 1x2, 1x2, and then the brick, 1x2, 1x2. Now we're going to need two 1x1s with four studs on them on the sides. One of them's got to be at a two of them have to be at 95 to 45 degree angles. I'll get to that after we attach all these on. Like so, that's what that should look like. Now we're going to need these clips on all of them. Okay, so that's what that should look like. Then we need a plate, 1x2, 2x2 white, yellow round, and a, I don't even know what the hell you would call that plate, brick, but a brick round dome, 2x2. That's what that should look like. Now we're going to need 8 of these 6.6 bars with a stop ring. All that on. Wait a second. My bad. I am so sorry, folks. You might want to take all those off of you, since this is something we have to do as well. My bad. I am so sorry. I did not notice this. There's a lot going on in my mind right now. We need to plate 1x1s here on the exposed studs of this 1x1 here. Like so. You may need to take these bars off. My bad. I didn't mean to do that to y'all, but my bad. My bad. I am really sorry about that. So now we just need to make that assembly, which I am going to just copy all of that because that's just going to be a bit of a pain to do. There, and that goes there. I'm just making sure I can just get that all on there right there for you guys. We're going to need a dish, 2x2, and a dark trans pink as well. But plate 1x1. There and there. There and there. And then last but not least, you can use a cone, a stud, or a stud with a circle, with a stud with a circular tile. But I'm just gonna use a cone right now. Let's use, I don't know, orange. I'm doing an orange droid here. And then we need brick. No, we need this in black. We need a lever small ball, and we need lever small. Like that, and just rotate that a bit if you like so. So there we go. That is your Y-Wing from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. So yeah, this has been a fun one to build, guys. This is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember, may the Force and the Force of others be with you always. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out my other. Oh wait, son of a. God, son of a. Okay. Okay. Keep it cool, man. Keep it cool. We forgot to add this and a bar. Okay. So you pretty much got to remove all this off. My bad. My bad. I am sorry, folks. So sorry. Oh my god. I am sorry. Yes, yes. You probably were leaving your comments down below about that. But I am sorry about that. could attach that there. Like that. Okay, now we are done. There we go. This is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off for real this time. This time we're for real. Signing off. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out my socials. Link to those in the description down below. Also, my friend's novel. Link to that in the description down below. Please also comment down below what models you would like to see. That would be greatly appreciated. I'm normally not this hectic, folks. I don't forget things. I normally don't. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had fun making it. I'm fine. I'm totally fine too. I'm totally fine. I'm totally fine. So yeah, this is Dan from DKBrickStudios signing off. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, all that good stuff as I recently said. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Please remember, may the force and the force of others be with you always.
Chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.